Hey everybody, got an update for you on this house. The exterior is all fully painted and stuff. It's looking pretty cool, but there's still quite a bit of work that they're doing to the flooring of the house. They're digging it out. Looks great from the outside though. We got these those little columns were wrapped around those metal wheels. But look at how pretty everything's starting to look. We're having gutters installed pretty soon here. We got our permits for our decks approved. There's going to be a deck on this side of the house in between the house and the garage. And we're going to raise this up to the door level and have steps here. So this will all be like a wood deck around here. So you can see we're working backwards inside the house. And then back here, our deck is going to be where the siding is missing over here, with some steps over here. And we're eventually going to do sod back here. We're at a point where we should probably really start doing something about the front yard. So we'll probably pick up some weed and feed and fresh grass seed and start actually taking care of this so it's nice and green here in about 3 or 4 weeks when we go to put it on the market. So hopefully it looks like our neighbors. But it is coming together. I'm liking the way the colors turned out finally. You know, this is probably our, I don't know, 10th fix and flip house, and every time we paint it never looks anything like we expected, and it always looks stupid. But this color looks pretty cool. All right, have a nice day.